yesterday I can explain to the logarithm. Again, I can start with that logarithm. Listen. Here, what is the definition of logarithm? Here, listen. That is, x is there any real number is equal to, listen. Here, x is the any real number. Therefore, x belongs to all real numbers. And a value must be positive and a not equal to 1. A value greater than 0 and a not equal to 1 and n also must be greater than 0 such that n is equal to a power x. Here you can see n is equal to a power x implies x is equal to log n base a. This is called a definition of, that is called a definition of logarithm. What is the logarithm definition? X belongs to any real number, a positive and a not equal to 1, n value greater than 0. Therefore, n is equal to a power x, x is equal to log n base a. That is the definition of logarithm. In this one, listen, 3 power x 3 power 5 is equal to 243. Thus, I written that here 5 is equal to logarithm of 243 base 3. Logarithm of 243 base 3. Therefore, listen, 3 power 5 is equal to 243. Here a value 3, x value 5, n value 243. You can applying that. This is the property. What is the x? X is called a 5 is equal to logarithm of, what is the n value is called 243. It's, what is the a value is equal to 3. This is the definition of logarithm. One more example. In that example will be there. Here listen. That is 5 cube is equal to 125. 5 cube is equal to 125.
125.
By observation, what is the a value? 5. X
5.
value 3.
3.
What is the n value? What is the n value?
120.
125. Very good. Here observe, x is equal to logarithm of 125 base 5. Any doubt about definition? Hello?
Oh, sir.
Any doubt about definition?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Here, this is called definition. Any doubt will be there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. Ask.
Once repeat, sir.
Okay, okay. What is the definition of logarithm? Definition of logarithm means x belongs to any real number and a positive but a not equal to 1 and n is greater than 0. N also positive real number. What is the definition? A power x is equal to n implies what is the x is equal to log n base a. What I told definition, a power x is equal to n implies what is the x is equal to logarithm of n base a. This is the definition of logarithm. That is, I can representation here. Logarithm definition. A value must be positive and a not equal to 1. N also positive and x is any real number. X is any real number. For example, 3 power 5 is equal to 243. 3 power 5 is equal to 243. In this one, this is the form of a power x is equal to n form. What is the a value? 3, x value 5, n value 243. N value 243. Therefore, what is the definition? X is equal to log n base a. Therefore, x value 5 is equal to logarithm of what is the n value? 243 base a.
Base
A
3.
value is equal to
3.
Do you
3.
understand this point?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
Therefore, this is the good. This is the basic definition of logarithm. Actually, logarithms are some identities or properties. Lesson 1. That is basic property.
Sir, please,
What is
sir,
the
say
basic-
loudly, sir.
Okay. Basic property. What is the basic property? You can listen 1. What is the 2 power 1 is equal to?
2.
What is the 2 power 1 is equal to 2? In this statement,
Sir, can you little
what is
zoom?
the A
Can
value?
you little zoom, sir?
Sir, no clarity.
Okay.
Yes, sir, little zoom. Not that one, sir. This one. PPT. Slide.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I can explain. I can explain to one by one line. First one. In this one is there. What is the first one is equal to? Logarithm of A base A is equal to 1. Why this value is equal to 1? I can explain to that property. What is the 2 power 1 is equal to?
2.
Anyone?
2.
2. Good. In this equation, what is the A? What is the X? What is the N? Anyone? Actually, A power X is equal to N will be there. This is the basic definition. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Just compare. What is the A value?
2.
2.
2, sir.
A value 2. What is the X value?
1.
1.
Therefore, X value 1. What is the N value?
2.
2.
2.
Good. Here, before that, what I told, A power X is equal to N implies what is the X is equal to? Logarithm of
N
A.
N base X.
Definition.
1 base
Same
A.
thing. Listen. What is the X value? 1 is
1.
equal to logarithm of what is the N value? 2. Here A value 2. When
2.
here listen, that very important. What is that point is there? Logarithm of power base. Both are equal. That value is equal to 1. That is the first property. Do you understand?
Oh, yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Anyone? Okay, good.
No,
Second one. In second one, log 1 base A. Here, log 1 base A is equal to 0. How to get? Lesson 1. A power 0. What is the anything power 0?
1.
1.
1. Very good. Only one or students are respond. Remaining all are silent. A power 0 is equal to 1 is there. This in this one, compare A power X is equal to N. A is what is the X value?
1, sir.
Answer of this. In this one and this one.
N, sir, N.
Definition.
N.
Sir, no clarity, sir.
Seventh June.
Here listen. A power x is equal to m is there. A power 0 is equal to 1. What is the comparison of both equations? What is the x value?
0.
0.
0.
Good. X value 0. What is the n value?
1.
1.
One.
Okay. That is it is saying the definition. What is the x? X is called a 0 is equal to observe logarithm of what is the n is called 1 this value is any doubt in somebody is the definition today mute for my yes, that is there. What is that property? Logarithm of this A is equal to 0. This is the two properties will be there. What is that first property? Logarithm of A base A is equal to 1. Logarithm of 1 base A is equal to 0. Property
June this PPT. 7th June.
yeah, what I can see the one observe. Log A base A is equal to and the log 1 A is equal to 0. That is the two properties. First note down. This is called a first property. This is called a second property. No need of statements. Just to note down. Log A base A is equal to 1. Second one. Log 1 base A is equal to 0.
0. 0. 0.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third property. Is the third property very, very important. So many times can be using that property is there. Just listen.
A power log.
Here observe. A power that is to here A power logarithm of here x base A is equal to x. A power A power logarithm of x base
Hello.
A is equal. How
Sir.
to get this one?
Yes.
Here observe. How to get this one? This is the power I can take logarithm of A, sorry, logarithm of x base A is equal to some y I can take from definition x is equal to x over y is. Any doubt in this?
Hello.
Sir, can't understand, sir.
Here, therefore, this is the third property. A power log x base A is equal to x. How to put the function here is equal to here. How to put that one? Just listen. Can you mute everyone? Everyone can mute. Based on the disturbance, some students not understand what I told. Okay, listen. How to prove this one? How to get? Here observe. This power log x base a. Log x base a, I can take y. What is the definition? Generally, here is equal to listen. Therefore, what is the definition? A power x is equal to n implies logarithm of n base a is equal to x. I told that one. Same thing here observe. N in place of x is there and x in place of y will be there. What is the definition? X is equal to a power y. Any doubt?
Sir,
No,
can you
sir.
please repeat?
Therefore, here the question will be there. That is called a power. What is the log x base here? I can take
Y.
y. A y. What is the a power y is equal to? A power y is equal to in this
Yes, sir.
line. That is x. Therefore, a power log x base a. What is that value?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of this one? Listen. A power, listen. A power logarithm of x base a. When this base to this base is the same, that is called. This is the third property. In the third property, what is that property? Base value, both are same. That our value is value of the total quantity. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Ah, the value. What is the value? 2 power logarithm of 5 base 2. What is the value? Here, base value same. Both are same in what is that power value is value of that logarithm. You can get 5. Similarly, here 3 power logarithm of 10 base 3. What is this value? 3 power logarithm of 10 base 3. Anyone? Kaushik, mute your mic. PH Kaushik. Okay. Here 3 power logarithm of 10 base 3. 3 power logarithm of 10 base 3. Therefore, here base both are same. What is that value is equal to 10. Do you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, good. Therefore, when what is the third property? Note down the property. A power log x base a is equal to x. A power log x base a is equal to x. That is the third property. That is third property. Must remember the three properties because of in third property so many times using that in that question. This is the property. Do you understand?
Sir,
Hello?
log the property.
This is the first property, second property. This is third property. Do you understand third property?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some next problem is there. Somebody has seen it. Here, listen. A power log A. What is the value? X is 3 property. One by one. Next property. I can explain to the fourth property is that is observation property. Next rule. Next rule. Or mute for mic.
Sir, your voice is not audible. Background disturbance is coming.
That's why some students are open that mic and the disturbance is there in home. That's why my voice is not audible. Right now is the reason. Everyone is the quiet. In fourth property, what is the property is there? Here listen. Logarithm of product rule. Logarithm of x, y, base a. Logarithm of two values are multiplication. Base some value will be there. How to representation this one? That is logarithm of x base a plus logarithm of y base a. Therefore, this is the first property. What are this one in the slide? First one, product rule. Logarithm of two values product is there. How to return log x base a plus log y base a. This is the property. The fourth one. Here, sometime example. Example will be there. I can take, listen. Logarithm of 6 base 2. How to return factors of 6? Here, lesson 1. Logarithm of 2 into 3 base 2 will be there. That is equal to here, logarithm of 2 base 2 plus logarithm of 3 base 2. Therefore, by observation this one, that is log 2 base 2, when power value, base value both are same. Both are same mean what is that value? 1 plus logarithm of 3 base 2. Anyone having doubt? The student only can unmute and ask the doubt. Here, product rule means, what is the product rule? Logarithm of two numbers or product will be there. How to return? Log x base a plus log y base a. That is the property number 4. Similarly, division rule. What is division rule? That is
log x
logarithm
y base a
log x
x
by
by
y
base a
is equal to log x base a
X minus
minus log y base a.
Very
Quotient rule.
good. That is by observation. That is quotient rule or division rule, anything. Here logarithm of two numbers division will be there. How to representation. Log x base a minus of log y base a.
Base A.
This is the representation. By observation, this one. Here, log of x by y. That is, in between two logarithms, subtraction will be there. Base value same. Therefore, what can be written? Logarithm of x by y base a. Suppose two logarithms between addition will be there. What can be written? Log of product of two values. Log of product of the two real numbers. Therefore, log xy is there. If this is the example, same like this one, log x by y. Suppose logarithm of 3 by 2 base 3. Here like this one is there. How to return this one? Listen. Log x by y base a value is there. What is the property? Log 3 base 3 minus of log 2 base 3. What is the log 3 base 3?
1.
1. Very good.
1, sir.
That is equal to 1 minus logarithm of 2 base 3. Therefore, log x by y will be there. Log x minus log y. Division is there, getting negative. Multiplication is there, getting positive.
Positive.
Second property, that means fifth property is there. In sixth property, here listen. What is the property that is called a power rule? What is the power rule? Here observe. Logarithm of a power m base b will be there. When logarithm of a power m base b, when power again power will be there, what can be written in logarithm? M into log of
A
base
base B.
b. For example will be there. Here logarithm of 36 base 5. 36 can be written any perfect square form.
6 6
36
Yes, sir.
6 6 sir.
6.
that is called log 6 square base 5. Therefore, that's I written 2 into log of 6 base 5. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is called a power rule. When logarithm power again power will be there, can be written that before that value into log a base b can be written after. Another is their property. This is also using that many of time in many of chapters. That is seventh property. What is the seventh property? That is called change of base rule. Change of base rule. Here listen. Logarithm of a base b can be written that here is equal to logarithm of a by logarithm of b. With what is the base of two logarithms? Same base, some c I can take. Therefore, when logarithm of a base b, how to written this one? Log a base c divide log b base c. Also can be written that only log a by log b. Also written log a divide log b. That is can be written that 1 divide logarithm of b by logarithm of a I written. Logarithm of b divide logarithm of a. That is equal to 1
Sir,
divide.
board is blur.
Board is blurred, sir.
Sir, once zoom.
Ah,
Sir, no need to zoom, sir. Keep like that. Like that only best.
okay, okay. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Continue.
No. Okay. Here, listen. Log B divide log A. Actually, log A base B means log A by log B. Here, log B by log A will be there. Can be said log B base A.
X minus B.
Here, what is the point is there? Log A base B also written 1 divide log B base A. Log B base is the property can be using that sum of model of cosine.
Sir, if possible, can you show previous slide?
Okay.
Sir, little zoom less. Little zooms.
Okay.
Little zoom, sir. Little zoom. Medium.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or you can. Okay. This is the property for change of base rule. That means logarithm how to split two logarithms. One logarithm splitting two logarithms. Like this one is there. Log A base B can be written that log A by log B. Also written 1 divide log B base A. No doubt. These the sixth properties. One more property will be there. That properties you must learn because of next class onwards. Questions I can explain. In that questions, what are using? You don't know having that problem. You can't understanding what I explained. If next problem will be there, you can mute mic and listen. Doubt will be there. If there is no problem, unmute your mic, you can ask. Otherwise, in chat room, you can send a message. I can see and immediately I can explain. Mathematics, how to score more marks here, but you must solving that more problems. When you solving more problems, applications you know it. Once you know that application, whatever type of question given in exam, easy to solve. Otherwise knows the property, but you cannot able to get idea after you facing that lots of problems. That's why whatever they explain that point, those points must be learned that day only. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, that is there. One more point will be there. What is that point will be there in this one? Listen. That is logarithm based on that. Here is equal to one more. That is logarithm of a base b power n will be there. A base b power n will be there. Therefore, by observation, here listen. That is logarithm. Here observe. Logarithm of a base b power n. Before that, I can explain. Power of again power will be there. How to apply property, you know it. Suppose base power will be there. What is the property? Here listen seventh property. Log A base B. How to return 1 divide log B base A. Same property I can apply. This is 1 divide logarithm of B power n base A. Here B power n base A. Then sixth property you can use. That is equal to 1 by n into logarithm of B base A. Also written that 1 by n logarithm of A base B. Therefore, when that here power again power will be there, that's come before m into log A base B. And here is there, when that base power will be there, can we get 1 by of that value into log A base B, log A base B. For example, one more. What is that value of logarithm of 3 base 16? Anyone? Here listen. Logarithm of 3 base 16. I written that logarithm of 3 base 2 power 4 is there. Base power will be there. What I told. Here is equal to 1 by 4 into logarithm of 3 base 2. 1 by 4 into log 3 base 2. Like this one, you can use that property. What is the property? Log A base B power n. How to written 1 by n into log A base B. Any doubt about this point? Anyone? Anyone? Okay. Here is equal to, this is the point. Note down this point also. Note down. That is their eighth point. These 8 points are very, very important in logarithms. In logarithmic equations are given how to able to solve. This is the one. Completed. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One small question based on that logarithms will be there. Based on logarithms. One small question, write down. Here, logarithm of 3125. Logarithm of 3125. Base root 5. Base root 5. Here, observe 3125. How to return the 3125 in the form of 5. Observe this one. That is equal to 5 into 5, 6 is equal to 20. Here 5, 6, 30, 5 2 and 5 can be written that 5 into 6 25, 6 25, 25 square. That's I written that 5 power 4. Here is equal to 5 power 5 will be there. 5 power 5. By observation, logarithm of here 3125, that is called 5 power 5 base root 5, that is equal to root 5. That implies listen. Here power again power will be there. What I told 5
5 log
logarithm of
5 base root 5.
5 power 1 by 2. What I told before, last property, b power n is there, can become 1 by n. Therefore, in this one, 5 into 1 divide 1 by 2, logarithm of 5 base 5. What is the log 5 base 5?
1. Sir, answer is 10.
1. Very good. Answer is equal to 10.
Sir, one show previous slide.
Yes, sir. Previous slide. Sir, one slide, 1 minute.
Sir, zoom this formulas.
Sir, no need zoom, sir.
So once zoom.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. After 1 minute after zoom.
Okay.
Sir, can you use it? Sir, can you use it? Yes, sir. Keep like this. Okay, sir. Next slide.
If possible, generally you can take screenshot. Similar question, one more question. Are you completed this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, small question. Try this question. What is that question is there? Logarithm of 0.2401. Log 2401 base 0.343. Log 0.2401 base 0.343. First try. After I can explain that question. I can give 2 minutes, you can do it. Anyone getting idea? Not 3.
Power 0.2401 in front of log.
Divisible by 7 or not, you can see. What is the 7 square? Is equal to 49. What is the 7 cube? Is equal to, you can multiply 7. 7 9 is
343.
called 60. 343. What is the 7 power 4 is equal to 2401.
1.
Then you can return that log of 0.2401 can be written 0.7 whole
7.
power 4 is
0.7 whole
0.7.
power 3.
Simplify. What is the answer? Here listen, that is equal to power 4 is there. 4 I written logarithm of 0.7
0.7 base.
here
0.7
7.
cube. Power 3.
Therefore, here property 4 into 1 by 3 logarithm of 0.7 base 0.7. Therefore, this one here after this one 4 into here base power 3 will be there, can be written 1 by 3 log of 0.7 base 0.7. What is this logarithm value? What is that logarithm value?
4 into 1 by 3 log 0.7 by base 0.7.
Then base and power same. What is the logarithm value?
Log 1.
That this value 1. Therefore, what you get that value? Here
1.
4 by 3. This value 1. 4 into 1 by 3. What is that value? 4 by 3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This model of question, it's there. Here some more questions will be there. I can explain to tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Thanks.